Hey everyone, thanks for watching my tent setup video. If you're looking for backyard wedding tent inspiration for decor or lighting, then stick around where I'll be turning this into this. Also this into this. So you can see more of this. Hey everyone, it's Lee here, the bartending, photo boothing rental guy, and today we're going to install a 20 by 30 pole tent, so check it out. So before every tent install, make sure that you get a line locate done. So I had the line locate guy come, and he marked out the spot here. It just goes straight from the gas line. So I've got all my necessary tools here, the tent top, the drop cloth, the stakes, the ratchets, and the poles. Don't forget your sledgehammer. So first things first, you're gonna want to have a drop cloth. I just use a 20 by 30 tarp so that the canopy's protected. So for one, the canopy doesn't get dirty. For two, there's nothing that will puncture the canopy. Okay, so the drop cloth is down. Now what we wanna do is we wanna put our tent top out over the top. We want to lay out our poles and lay out our stakes to where they're gonna go around the tent. All right, let's tap the stakes. So for my tent installs, I use jackhammers and generators to power the jackhammers just in case. With a 20 by 30 tent like this, a sledgehammer could suffice depending on how many tents you're setting up in a day. The ratchets are fairly easy. They're just a ratchet strap, one end clips. You clip it to the ring here. So you take it and just clip it on. The other end just goes through here. So all you need to do is just go like this, and there we go. Okay, so now let's put up the poles. Right, now we're gonna hang some sidewalls. Okay, I'm gonna start at the back of the tent here with the window walls, and I'm just gonna wrap it from the middle here and hit this 20-foot section around the corner here. Great, so I've got Bistro Lighting here, and I'm just gonna hang it like this. So some of my Bistro Lighting comes from Costco, some of it comes from Walmart. This particular stuff is Walmart. Yeah, it's a Shatterproof Bistro Lighting. It's awesome. Thanks for watching. You just had to ruin the video with something ridiculous.